Hello everyone! Are you ready to unlock a simple secret to supercharge your health? It's something small, something you can hold in the palm of your hand, yet it packs an incredible punch for your entire body. I'm talking about the amazing walnut. It's no coincidence that this powerful nut looks just like a tiny brain, because it's one of the smartest foods you can eat for your mind and so much more. This isn't just a snack, it's a powerhouse of nutrients, a little kernel of wellness that can transform your health from the inside out. We're going to dive deep into why this humble nut deserves a starring role in your daily diet. For centuries, people have enjoyed walnuts for their rich, earthy flavor, but the true magic lies within their wrinkly shells. Today, we're going on a journey to uncover the incredible science-backed benefits that make walnuts a true superfood. We're not just talking about one or two good things, we're talking about a cascade of positive effects that can touch every part of your life, from your heart to your head. Think of it as your daily dose of preventative medicine, wrapped up in a delicious, crunchy package. It's time to get excited about what a simple handful of walnuts can do for you and your family's well-being every single day. I call it the walnut editing formula because adding this one ingredient can help edit your health story, rewriting your future for the better. It's about making small, manageable changes that lead to big, life-altering results. Let's start with the heart of the matter, your heart. Your cardiovascular system is your body's engine, and walnuts are the premium fuel it needs to run smoothly. One of the most celebrated benefits of walnuts is supporting heart health. They are rich in a special omega-3 called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. This plant-based omega-3 is a hero for your arteries. Studies show regularly consuming walnuts can help lower your LDL cholesterol, lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol, and they help maintain your good HDL cholesterol levels. Think of your blood vessels as highways. You want them clear and flexible. Walnuts' nutrients improve endothelium function, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. A healthy endothelium lets vessels relax and contract properly. That's crucial for healthy blood pressure. Walnuts reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your circulatory system. That helps prevent plaque buildup that leads to heart issues. Imagine giving your heart a daily shield of protection. Every handful of walnuts is that shield. The combination, healthy fats, fiber, plant sterols, work synergistically against heart disease. Now let's talk about your body's personal defense squad, antioxidants. Every single day, your body is under attack from unstable molecules called free radicals. These damaging agents are caused by things like pollution, stress, normal metabolic processes. Over time, they can cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a key driver of aging and many chronic diseases. This is where walnuts step in as a true superhero. Walnuts contain a unique, potent combination of antioxidants. That combo is more powerful than in most other common nuts. This isn't a small boost, it's a significant upgrade for your body's protective systems. What makes walnuts' antioxidant profile so special? It's the blend of vitamin E, melatonin, polyphenols. Polyphenols are especially abundant in the thin, papery skin of the walnut. That's why it's important to eat the whole nut, skin and all. This powerful trio neutralizes harmful free radicals before they damage cells, your DNA, your tissues. Think of it as a 24/7 security team patrolling your body, protecting you from the inside out. It's time to talk about the organ that walnuts so famously resemble, your brain. The connection is more than just a visual one. Walnuts are truly one of the best foods you can possibly eat for cognitive health. Your brain is a high-energy organ, composed of about 60% fat, and it craves the right kind of fuel to function at its best. The powerful combination of ALA omega-3s, antioxidants, and other neuroprotective compounds found in walnuts provides exactly what your brain needs to thrive. These nutrients help to protect your brain cells from the inflammation and oxidative stress that can impair cognitive function over time. Think of your brain cells, or neurons, as constantly communicating with each other. For sharp memory, quick thinking, and good focus, these connections need to be strong and clear. The healthy fats and polyphenols in walnuts have been shown to improve this intercellular signaling. They help to enhance what we call neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, and improve synaptic plasticity, which is your brain's ability to form and reorganize connections in response to learning and experience. Eating walnuts is like providing the building blocks your brain needs to stay sharp, adaptable, and resilient as you age. The evidence supporting walnuts for brain health is incredibly compelling. Numerous studies, including large-scale observational studies and controlled clinical trials, have linked walnut consumption to better cognitive performance. Research has shown that a diet rich in walnuts can improve memory, concentration, and the speed at which your brain processes information. In older adults, regular walnut consumption has been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and a better chance of maintaining mental acuity well into the golden years. It's a delicious strategy for protecting your most precious asset. So how can you put this into practice? It's as simple as making walnuts your go-to snack when you need a mental boost. Instead of reaching for a sugary treat that will lead to a crash, grab a handful of walnuts. The sustained energy from the healthy fats, protein, and fiber will fuel your brain for hours, helping you stay focused during a long workday or study session. You are not just eating a snack, you are actively nourishing your brain for better performance today and protecting its health for all your tomorrows. It's the smartest snack you can choose. Let's talk about a silent troublemaker in the body: chronic inflammation. While short-term inflammation is a normal and healthy response to injury, long-term, low-grade inflammation is a different story. It's a smoldering fire that can contribute to nearly every major chronic disease. Heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers. The good news is that your diet can be a powerful tool to extinguish these flames. And walnuts are one of the best anti-inflammatory foods you can find. They are packed with compounds that help to calm this harmful inflammatory response at a cellular level. The primary anti-inflammatory agents in walnuts are ALA omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium ellagitannins. This powerful trio works together to reduce the production of inflammatory markers in your body. The ALA in particular is a precursor to other potent anti-inflammatory molecules in the body, helping to create a system-wide calming effect. By regularly consuming walnuts, you are helping to lower the overall inflammatory load on your system, which can have profound benefits for your long-term health and reduce your risk of developing inflammation-related conditions. Every handful is a step toward a calmer, healthier, and more resilient body, protecting you from one of the fundamental drivers of modern disease. Let's journey into one of the most exciting frontiers of health: your gut microbiome. Your digestive tract is home to trillions of bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance of these microbes is absolutely essential for your overall well-being. A healthy gut influences everything from your digestion and your immune system to your mood and even your weight. Walnuts act as a fantastic prebiotic, which means they provide the perfect food for the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. When you eat walnuts, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding your tiny inner allies, fiber polyphenols. When these microbes digest these compounds, they produce beneficial substances called short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is a superstar molecule for your colon. It serves as the primary fuel source for the cells lining your gut, helping to keep your intestinal wall strong and healthy. A strong gut lining is crucial for preventing a condition known as leaky gut, where harmful substances can pass into your bloodstream and cause inflammation throughout the body. Scientific studies have beautifully demonstrated this effect. Research shows that when people add walnuts to their diet, the diversity and composition of their gut microbiome change for the better. Walnut consumption has been shown to increase the population of beneficial bacteria, such as Lactobacillus and Ruminococcus, which are known for their health-promoting properties. This shift toward a healthier gut ecosystem is one of the fundamental ways walnuts exert positive effects on the rest of the body, from reducing inflammation to supporting a robust immune system. So, what does this mean for your daily life? It means that snacking on walnuts is a simple and effective way to cultivate a flourishing internal garden. A healthy gut microbiome can lead to better digestion, less bloating, a stronger immune response, and even improved mental health, thanks to the powerful gut-brain axis. But let's focus on how this translates into powerful disease prevention, particularly concerning certain types of cancer. While no single food can prevent cancer, a diet rich in specific plant compounds can significantly reduce your risk. Walnuts contain a unique profile of bioactive compounds that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. These compounds appear to work in several different ways to create an environment in your body that is less hospitable to the growth and spread of cancer cells. The magic lies in those special polyphenols we mentioned earlier, the ellagitannins. When you eat walnuts, your gut microbes convert these ellagitannins into compounds called urolithins. Urolithins have been shown in laboratory and animal studies to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer and prostate cancer. They appear to do this by binding to estrogen receptors. When we think about strong bones, we often jump straight to calcium and vitamin D. While those are certainly crucial, they aren't the whole story. A variety of minerals and nutrients are needed to build and maintain a strong, resilient skeletal structure, and walnuts provide an impressive array of them. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes increasingly important to prevent osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones weak and brittle. Including walnuts in your diet can be a fantastic way to support your bone health from multiple angles, ensuring your foundation stays strong for years to come. First, walnuts are a great plant-based source of the essential mineral copper. Copper plays a vital role in the maintenance of collagen and elastin. A deficiency in copper can lead to lower bone density and an increased risk of fractures. Walnuts also provide a good amount of manganese, essential for bone formation and calcium absorption. They contain magnesium, which works in concert with calcium to build strong bone crystals. It's a team effort, and walnuts bring several key players to the game. The benefits don't stop with minerals. The powerful ALA omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts also play a significant role in bone health. Chronic inflammation can accelerate bone loss, so you're investing in future mobility and independence. We've taken an incredible journey today, uncovering amazing science-backed benefits hidden inside the humble walnut. From being your heart's best friend, a powerful brain booster, taming inflammation, nourishing your gut, this is a true superfood. It acts as your body's personal bodyguard, packed with antioxidants, supporting defenses against chronic disease. It even helps build stronger, healthier bones. The walnut editing formula is real and accessible. Its beauty is simplicity and versatility. No complicated recipes or pricey gadgets needed. One handful, about a quarter cup each day. Sprinkle on yogurt, sprinkle on oatmeal, toss into a vibrant salad. Enjoy raw as a satisfying afternoon snack. It crushes cravings, it fuels your body, it fuels your mind. Small, consistent action creates a ripple effect of positive change. Feel empowered, your health is in your hands. Smart, informed choices are your strongest tool. Adding walnuts is one of the easiest, most impactful changes. It's a commitment to yourself. Nourish your body.